What's up everyone? So in this video, I'm gonna share you how you can easily making the virtual card for your loved one using the Dear-you.cards. So you can go to this create a card, and after that you can choose the theme over here, whether that none or the warm sunset until the warm linen. Which one do you prefer? For example, I'm gonna use the forest mist, continue to message. And after that, you can use or put your message into this section. For example, I'm going to paste my letter or my message into this section like this for Laura from Maria. And after that, you can add the stamp, which is the picture of your best friend or the selfie of both. For example, this one. And you can start to adjust the font style if you want to, like the elegant like this, or modern, or handwritten, to make it look more natural as if this is from the handwritten. And also you can adjust the font size, whether that to be small, medium, or large, like this. And for example, you can add your name here, for example, to be Maria, and then click the preview card. And here's gonna be the final look, guys. And if you are ready to share this card, then you can click this share this card. And now you can simply share this link through this WhatsApp or email, or simply copy it. And let's say you can attach it into your email or another platform of chat. And as if I'm the Laura and I'm gonna open it. Click here to open. And there you have it. What do you think, guys? Do you like it? So don't forget to create the lovely card for your loved one. And I hope this tool finds you helpful. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.